Hi friends, good evening. Today I'm going to make most popular Kerala breakfast item, which is the egg curry with coconut milk and Appam, which is like a crepe. I'm so, you won't believe, like the reason I'm taking this video is only because of this tomato. I got so many tomatoes that, even though I was not in a mood to take video, I thought, oh, maybe I'm using all my tomatoes from my garden. I should start doing a video. Look how nice and organic they are. I haven't used any pesticides other than the neem oil spray. So we are going to make the egg curry with the homegrown tomatoes. So the onion, ginger, garlic and green chili are sauteed. Just give it like few minutes, like 5 minutes, so that they get brown very nicely. So it's very simple recipe. You can see the onions are turning already brown. Let it boil, let it saute for a few more minutes and it will turn slightly brown. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut my tomatoes from my garden. Oh my god, it comes out really nice. Look at this, beautiful color. I can't wait to use this in my curry now. So the onion is sauteing nicely. Few more minutes and then we can add the tomatoes. You can see the onions are nicely brown. At this point, we can add the sliced tomatoes that we have. The plumpy, sweet tomatoes. Give it a quick saute and let it cook for some time. So once the egg is boiled, we can add the egg into it. Right now we don't have to add. Once everything is cooked a little bit, we can add the spices. Okay. This is a very funny, or I should say very cute egg boiling machine. It looks like, you can see it looks like a chicken. So all you have to do is just pour some water like to the limit. That's it. And you take the egg, there is a thing here, you just press it. So you make a tiny hole in the egg. Okay, so the egg gets boiled to the perfect texture. So this is a simple thing, but you will be surprised how well the egg comes out. You don't have to worry about taking it from the water and checking it all the time. You just have to listen to the chicken sound. So the chicken will start crying when it is done, and that time we can remove it and peel the egg. So it's a very simple egg maker, like egg boiling maker. You can find it in HSN or Amazon, anywhere. It's very cute. I got it from HSN, so cute. See. So these are the tomatoes from my garden that I plucked this morning. You can see some of them haven't changed the color because, but still I plucked it. I have my spices here. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon, maybe like 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. So garam masala is otherwise called allspices or Indian spice. I just powdered the garam masala here at home. So I'll post that recipe later, but garam masala, you buy it, you can get it in any Indian store. So I'm going to add this to the onion and tomato mixture. See, it's just linked, so that means it's ready. I'm going to slowly add this masala or spices into this mixture. Slowly saute until the spices get roasted for some time, and then we can add a little bit of water. Egg curry. For some time. We can add like 1/4, less than 1/4 cup of water. I don't want the curry to be too runny, just for everything to settle in and the flavors get released. So a little bit of water. My mom doesn't add water to anything, you know. She says it has its own liquid that comes out. And for egg curry and all, she makes it very dry and tastes so good actually. But she uses a little bit more oil. I try to reduce the oil. Okay, so let it cook for some time. I think you can hear the chicken chirping sound. That means the chicken, not chicken, the eggs are ready. See, so this means the eggs are perfectly boiled. So you take some water in a bowl and then you slowly put them. Oh, so hot. Ouch. Okay, let it cool for some time and then we can peel. Okay, eggs are ready, perfectly boiled. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. You can use any coconut milk, you know. I'm using the organic canned coconut milk, 2 tablespoons here, and slowly, let the egg and the curry cook for some time in that coconut oil. Coconut milk. So our delicious dinner is ready. The egg curry with coconut milk, Kerala style, and to pair with the egg curry, I made some palappam. So palappam is nothing but it tastes like a crepe, but it's made with a rice flour, fermented overnight, and this goes very well with the egg curry. I have some cut watermelon for dessert, and this is like a perfect dinner. I hope you guys will give it a try making this Kerala style egg curry and let me know how it comes out. Until next recipe, it's bye bye from me. Good night.